Jod bura otieko romo margi moyiedhi odhiambo ma kawuono bang' puodho nyinge jokanyo e duol mochung' ne pok mar omenda ne gwenge ma pacho ka.
Kata kamano thoth jod bura ok oyuoro kendo chuno iketo chenrono mamoko mag od bura bende ne oket tenge.
Jod bura ne odhi e yweyo juma mokalo kendo romo moyiedhi ma kawuono ne oluong kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula. Chris Owino miyo wale.
Romo moyiedhi mar jo od bura mamalo okawo seche machuok ataro kod geno mag jopiny. Romo makamano mane oluong kod spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula ne igeno mar twak e weche mathoth. Kata kamano jo od bura okawo thuolo machuok e puodho jokanyo mag duol mochung' ne pok omenda e pacho kae CRA,
which is the taking into consideration the findings of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning in its report on the vetting of nominees for appointment as members of the Commission on Revenue Allocation laid on the table of the House on Thursday, December 8, 2022, and pursuant to the provisions of Articles 215 and 250 of the Constitution and Section 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, this House approves the appointment of the following persons as members of the Commission on Revenue Allocation.
Kaluwore gi kwan manok mag jo od bura mane oyuoro kata chenro mar twak e yo makare e wi joma ne ogwele bedo jokanyo mag CRA otim e yo mapiyo.
The people who are going to join this commission must be at least bachelor degree holders, Honorable Speaker, is because whatever they do is supposed to be informed by research. So that whatever information they pass to us as an assembly, Honorable Speaker, whatever information they pass to Treasury in terms of anniversary law, whatever information they pass to Senate, Honorable Speaker, is informed by research.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Would I be in order to request you in accordance with Standing Order number 95 to call the mover to reply? What the Honorable Makali is saying, my very good friend, is just repeated what the chair said, which is obvious. We know these people need to be passed very quickly. We'll put the question, Mr. Speaker, the mover to reply.
Luasi mar od bura ochuno spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula mondo ket penjo mar puodho kata wito oko nyinge makamago.
Honorable members, there's a proposal that I call the mover to reply, and I'll put the question that the mover be called upon to reply. As many as of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Mover.
Kaka ne igeno, jo od bura opuodho nyinga abiriyo makamago kendo chuno spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula mondo lor romo makawuono.
Thank you very much, and all the members of parliament that have come to support this approval of these commissioners, so that by the time the expiry of the current commissioner is coming to an end, therefore we will have commissioners in place. And with that, I beg to reply.
Our three nominees, of course, are Koitamet or Kina, the Honorable, the indomitable Honorable Fatuma Gedi, and Dr. George Jalango Midiwo. Mr. Speaker, I have got no doubt whatsoever that these three persons deserve the opportunity to serve in the Commission on Revenue Allocation.
Kopogore gi puodho nyinge mag jokanyo mag CRA, od bura bende igeno matwak e wi jokanyo mag komiti matayo omenda mag ute chung od bura mar CDF.
Order, honorable members, will you be upstanding? And the House stands adjourned until Tuesday, 14th February 2023 at 2:30 p.m. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Kaluwore gi mano, jo od bura koro dhi nyime kod yweyo margi mar dweche ariyo. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.